You ever notice how the most beautiful things in life usually come from the pieces we never paid attention to? That's exactly what this Christmas taught me. This year has been busy, loud, unexpected, and somewhere in the middle of all that noise, Christmas stopped feeling magical. It felt more like a deadline. Bills, responsibilities, errands, life piled up so high that even the twinkle lights felt dim. So one evening, I sat quietly at my table, feeling the season rush past me. I picked up a few small pieces, some flowers, beads, greenery, nothing expensive, nothing fancy, just simple things. And as I started layering them together, something in me softened. Every petal I placed, every little bead that fell into position, reminded me of something I'd been ignoring. Christmas isn't about perfection. It's about presence. Being still, being here, being grateful for the small things we almost forget. But the truth is, this December felt heavier than the others. Christmas used to be loud for me. Music, laughter, neighbors sharing sweetbread. But this year, everything was quiet, painfully quiet. It had been almost a year since Daniel left. Not because he wanted to, but because life sometimes steals the people we love without permission. Everyone kept saying, "You'll be fine." But I wasn't. I was surviving, not living. Still, every Christmas without fail, Daniel wrote me a letter. And even though he was gone, some part of me still waited for one. That night, while reaching for a box of decorations, something slipped out and fell to the floor. A brown envelope, old, faded, with my name written in his handwriting. My heart stopped. My hands shook as I opened it. The letter was dated exactly 1 year before he passed. My love, if you're reading this, then I didn't get to give it to you myself. I covered my mouth as the tears came. You worry too much. You carry the world on your shoulders and pretend everything is fine. But listen, you are stronger than you think, kinder than you know, braver than you admit. The room disappeared. It was just me and his words. Christmas is not about lights or gifts. It's about love. And if I ever leave before you're ready to say goodbye, I want you to remember something. My love doesn't stay in a house or a season or a body. It stays with you. I held the letter to my chest and cried. Promise me you'll celebrate again, laugh again, Dover-rate again, live again. Not because you forget me, but because you remember me with joy. And then the last line. When you hang the ornaments, think of me smiling. I stood up, still shaking, and looked at my tiny Christmas tree, the one decorated with scraps and cardboard roll ornaments painted red and gold. They weren't perfect, but neither was life. I took the letter, folded it gently, and placed it inside my favorite handmade ornament, a little heart. Then I hung it right in the center of the tree. As I stepped back, the room felt warm, like someone was hugging me from the inside. In that moment, I realized something. Just like my craft on the table, piece by piece, moment by moment, life comes together not because everything is perfect, but because everything has purpose. This Christmas wasn't loud, it wasn't fancy, but it was honest, and sometimes that's more than enough. Thank you for spending a little Christmas magic with me today. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I can't wait to share more Vlogmas creations with you. Merry Christmas from my craft table to your home.